Welcome to Off-Grid Victory. So today I wanted to talk to you about my fig tree experiment. So if you saw my other video, I kind of showed you and told you why I planted these fig trees where I did. And I just wanted to share the progress of that and the way it's working out. So let me back up and show you what I'm doing here. Okay, excuse the propane tanks. They're not for show. I actually do use them. But anyway, the idea was to use this backdrop of the, or backstop of our shipping container home as a way to heat sink the sun over the winter so that these fig trees would survive our colder climate, let's say. So we're not deeply in the south, we're in the Ozarks, but it still gets pretty cold here. And so there's only a few varieties of figs that do work here. And this particular one, I think it's the Chicago variety of figs that can sustain a little bit of frost. But like I said, using this shipping container as a heat sink, and also the water, of course, cascades off the roof onto the to the figs as well. So you got both a watering system naturally as well as a heat sink for the figs to survive. Now we're heading into the summer, so I'm expecting a lot of growth out of these guys. We were able to harvest a decent amount of figs this year, but it should be pretty good. I mean, last year it should be really good this year, and so yeah, I mean this fig experiment in terms of where to grow it and the type of variety that we planted here seemed to be working out pretty well. As far as my garden, we got a lot of these, I forget what these are called. Maybe it's jicama, I don't know. I forget. This isn't something that I planted, but it looks like a jungle in here. But at any rate, the figs are going to do very well this year, and I already see a couple of figs popping out. You know, let me try to see if I can get one for you here. Let's see here. They usually like hanging out of the crevices here. Let's see if I can find one in here. Oh, I don't. Oh, there's one. Okay, so let me zoom in for you. Come on in. So there's one right there. And there's another one right there growing. So at any rate, yes, I'm expecting a pretty big and nice harvest. And you can see this is the old growth from last year. I mean, that's so dry, it'll just like snap off like that. So yeah, so this heat sink idea definitely made the figs survive over winter nicely. And of course the watering system off the roof is really helping as well. So yeah, this was a good experiment that's working out well. So that is the way we grow figs here in the Ozarks on the Off-Grid Homestead. Alrighty, shalom.